The message was, boy, you've done a great job of starting this process, but you haven't got anything done.
Fires.
I can feel the heat.
Floods and hail. As the number and cost of disasters rise in Alberta, the province's Auditor General releases a report warning more needs to be done determining risk, or we risk being unprepared for costly outcomes.
I am dissatisfied with most plans. I am no more satisfied with Alberta's or dissatisfied than in any other jurisdiction.
Although this is a provincial report, it notes many municipalities have gaps in hazard assessment or may not even have risk assessment at all and may prioritize a new sports facility over, for example, flood mitigation projects.
They are what other academics have called a fantasy. The fantasy is that there will be services on an evacuation route, that stadia can hold people, that public transit might work, et cetera, et cetera. There are all these wild assumptions that things are going to go okay.
The issue is Canada-wide.
I would see no plan in Red Deer, no plans in many cities in New Brunswick. I would see wild and weird assumptions in Halifax about taking over the media.
And it's not just natural disasters. Although the report doesn't specifically look at pandemics, it says COVID-19 has highlighted the cascading effects a disaster can have on society.
The word pandemic is not mentioned in most plans. We've had 4 or 5 pandemics or epidemics in my life alone. We've had mad cow in Alberta, and the public health aspects of emergency preparedness are simply absent. It is a scandal in my view.
Bonner says people should demand to know what's in their city's plan since your tax dollars develop it.
And doesn't the 72-hour kit look ridiculous 5 months into a lockdown? I mean, we needed a 72-day kit, perhaps, or we needed a supply chain management system. We need to rethink a lot of this.
In Calgary, Jonathan Muma, City News.